Okay, so we have a question. You can see it's going to be it's a sector question. It's a sector of a circle. Now you're given the radius, but you're not given anything else apart from the area. So, and you need the perimeter. So you might want to just sort of highlight what you've got. Okay, and then we're actually after the perimeter. But before we can get the perimeter, we actually need the angle, and that's really what we need to find out first. So to find it's kind of to find the sector. Normally, to find the area of a sector like this, you would do the area of the circle, pi r squared, and then you times it by the sector, divide 360, and then that would give you the sector area. We don't know the angle, but we do know the area, so what we would have to do, pi r squared times theta over 360 equals 40. We do these in lots of steps here, so theta over 360 equals 40. Because pi r squared times is all multiplication, you can take it over in full. Put the radius in now. The radius is 7 squared, and then to find theta, to find that angle, it would be 40, and you're timesing the bottom. You're timesing that division. Okay, so the angle we're looking for, if we get the calculator out, so just my calculator up, add out. Okay, so 40 times 360. These steps, I'm just going to do it in one go. Divide it by pi times 49. Close that, equals. So that angle is 93.544. Okay, so we've now got this as 93.5. I'm just going to section this off. I've used my writing's a bit big on that actually. And now to find the circumference, to find the circumference of the circle, pi times the diameter, and the radius is 7, so it's going to be 2 times 7, 2 pi r, and then times that by the section of it, because this will give you this here will give you the whole circumference, but we only want a whole portion of it. So 93.5 out of 360, it's a fraction of an amount. If we just put that in our calculator, so clear that all up. 14 times pi, obviously I could have just done 2 times that, equals, and times that by 93.5 divide 360. Close that, equals oops, what happened there? Let me just do that again. So pi times 14, that should give us a total, and then times that by 93.5 divide 360. Sorry, just do that again. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have 11.40. So what that does, that gives us the outer arc here, Now we actually want the whole perimeter, so all we have to do there, that gets us from A round to B, but then we just add, to get back round to the beginning, you need to add 7, and then add another 7, so add 14. So then we add 14, and that gives us 25.42. And then we need it as 3 significant figures. We're just testing our ability to round 0.4 centimetres. And that is your final answer. There's quite a few steps on that. It's question 12, which is about midway through the higher paper. So grade 5, 6, probably more like grade 6, this question actually. So you would not see this on a foundation paper, I don't think. So there's quite a few steps going on. First, really spotting what you need to do. If you need this arc length, you have to use pi d or pi 2r, and you can't do that without this here. Okay, so you needed to figure out this by using the area. There's quite a few marks for this, 4 marks, because there is quite a lot to do. Okay, feel free to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.